Hi, welcome to Microman. Please remember to subscribe and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope. Today we're going to be looking at this attic spider. Now, capturing this little fellow wasn't the easiest thing to do without getting bit. I couldn't really grab it with my hands, so what I did is I sprayed it a little bit with some water, and that was enough to make it fall into the container and stay where I needed it to be, or try to get it to where I needed it to be, so that we could actually look at this guy. So I did my best not to hurt him, and you should be able to tell that he's still alive. So let's start by trying to look at the fangs if we can. I'm going to be jumping back and forth trying to get good angles on this little guy, and I'll let you guys just watch and chime in when I see something that I want to point out. We are now at the back end of the spider, and this is the area where the webbing comes out. Here's a better look at the fangs. The fangs are not this clear part protruding off of the front of the face. Those are used for grabbing and pulling things closer toward the mouth. The fangs are these dark brown sliver looking things near the front. I want to stop here for just a moment. If you look at the legs and the abdomen area, then you can see fluid or blood flowing through the spider, which is awesome. You can see what's going on inside and see that flow running through the legs and through the thorax. Here we can see the spider's mouth moving. And no, he's not drowning, and that little dot of water is not drowning him. Spiders have a open circulatory system, which is different than ours, and they don't necessarily just use their mouths for breathing. Here we can see that heart pumping. Their heart is not like ours, but it's pumping, and I slowed it down so you can see the actual heart rate. But you can see that pumping the blood through the spider. And here are the eyes of the spider. Now I'm not sure if, looks like clusters of 3. I'm not sure if each cluster is considered an eye or if each circle is considered an eye. But if that were the case, then it would look like it has 9 eyes. So I think it's each cluster of 3 is considered an eye. It would be my guess. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope, and I hope to see you next time.